Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will talk about why is information security needed. So what is the importance of information security? Now let's look at the Bangladesh Bank SWIFT hack attack which happened in February 2016. As you can see on the screen, hackers in February of 2016 used SWIFT credentials, and by the way, SWIFT is a system which is used all around the world for international money transfers. Now, hackers broke into that system in Bangladesh and used credentials of the Bangladesh Central Bank, or the State Bank of Bangladesh, to send more than 36 fraudulent money transfer requests. And where did they send this? The requests were sent to the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, asking the bank to transfer millions of the Bangladesh Central Bank's funds to bank accounts in various countries such as Philippines, Sri Lanka, and other parts of Asia. Now, the total impact of this hack would have reached about $1 billion. But the way that it was orchestrated, there were some errors and there were some spelling mistakes, and they caught that when about $100 million of money had been transferred. $81 million was actually transferred and the money was withdrawn, and about $19 million of funds were retracted and they were able to get that money back. So this is an example, a very recent example, which happened in financial industry of our region, in which hackers were able to break into a system and use it for malicious purposes and brought significant loss. And it was not only a financial loss, but it was a reputation loss also, not only in Bangladesh, but in the entire region and to the financial industry. Now let's look at another example while we talk about why is information security needed. As recent as May of 2017, which is May 14th, 2017, there was a huge attack all over the world, which was by the name of WannaCry, which is WANNACRY. And this was a ransomware attack which affected almost 100 countries all over the world, and specifically in the UK, the National Health Service, or the NHS system of UK hospitals was targeted, and it also affected other major organizations all around the world. As you can see on the screen, there were more than 75,000 attacks which happened in 99 countries. Now, this is the screen which shows the ransomware when it actually takes over your computer and it encrypts files. This is the screen that you see, which says, what happened to my computer? Can I recover my files? And how do I pay? So in this attack, which happened all around the world in about 100 countries, the ransomware, what it did was that with the help of malware, it would take over your computer, encrypt your files, and then show you this screen saying that you would need to pay a certain amount of money through bitcoins to the hackers so that they would unencrypt all your data. So the importance of information is also significant to understand. What importance does information hold for us in today's world? As we know, IT is pervasive and it extends all across our lives and our businesses. And it is critical to the operations and management of all types of organizations. IT is an enabler for business and government, and it automates all of our work. For personal information, it is vital for individuals to function in society. And all of our personal information is available now in data form, also in electronic form. So information holds a lot of value for us. And because that information holds value, the security of that information is also very important. And if you look at this report from PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers, from 2016, in the Global Economic Crime Report, cybercrime was amongst the top 3 most commonly reported types of economic crime. The first one being asset misappropriation, the second one being cybercrime at 32%, and 24% was bribery and corruption. So you can see that in the top 3 most commonly reported types of economic crime, cybercrime was at number 2, which is unprecedented in history. And as per the Europol 2013 report, cybercrime is now more profitable than the drug trade, and this was reported in 2013. So as we can see, information security holds tremendous importance because information holds importance, and hence we need to protect that information.